got that right, Tickies. Wait. Right. Tickies sorting out. She's got full of life today. Pinepool Park. Live dog not allowed. Never been in here. Oh glass. Of course you got to have glass in a park, haven't you? They're playing football in the basketball area. That's more like British, UK. This is different. Treasure Island Labyrinth. Yeah. Good. Got dogs fighting. Let's take this back out. Let's go the other way, Tickies. Oh, CCTV in here. Social distancing. How can you social distance playing sport? Here's a movie star. Still molting. Play area for the kids. Side of Hood Street. We're down to Duke Street, Travis Perkins End. Anson Street. Over there, Barrow Hotel and Bar. I've been in there a couple of times. All that on the beer, get ready for the football. Got the England tops on. Used to be a pub, the Wheat Chief down there, that's gone now. Service departments, used to play darts for them. One of a couple of pubs I play for. Oh, so we've got the eggs wrong. What's this say? The Willie Horne Gardens. don't know what that is. Design and build kitchen supplies, commercial. Over there we've got Barrow Death Centre. Tudor car services. Normally Aston Martin parked outside there, but it's open. Now the rugby stadium's over there. You can see the tops. I think they've got a big screen TV up because I can hear music. It's probably for the football. But there again, I think Wigan are playing today as well. They play rugby. I'm not sure. Scrapman there. Windows. Could do with us. New windows themselves.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright.
Right, come on, keep going.
Kill one, function room. Been in there a few times. Definitely someone go there in the rugby ground. I'd imagine rugby. Willie Horne Way. Barrow Raiders. Barrow Raiders. Barrow Raiders. What? The rugby. And Barrow Bluebirds is the football. Review. Hair by review. Scalp facial treatment. Don't have enough scalps for me. Oh, that's scalpels. No public parking. Staff and visitors only. Private land nursing. Nursery parking. Hidden cameras. Oh, at least we're... I'm not even hiding mine. Video. Nice spiral staircase. Old church there. Oh, Tickies. Yeah, so I definitely think Barrow playing rugby today. Well, I know he's coming over there. Or there might have been a large screen for the football, but someone tells me not. College House. So let's see what College House actually does. Automotive. Barrow Eats. Creative. Raw. Contact numbers. It's not going to tell me. Nursery. Kids nursery. The statue of man playing rugby, I think that's Mr. Howe. But Willie Horne. Where did Howe from? Willie Horne statue. Developed agency. He went on to do great things in rugby. That was a life-size figure, he's a bloody big man. dog coming down. You can read that. Tickies. Good. If we're working then. Have a pause. Do you want to read more? Also had some success to donate, put his name to a park, a little park as it is. It's a very happy dog. Alright. Everybody saying hello to you, Tickies, in the doggy world. This road doesn't have a name. Ah, Sniffy. Look at all that up here. Anson Street is it still? Will that finish behind me? I have staggered up here many a times on a Monday night after darts. I fell off the curb once, got a hold of a brand new pair of jeans. Held up by a police officer. Told me to get a taxi home. But I didn't, I walked. Very kind of them. Right, gotta finish this one here. Please share, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.